I've just given birth to triplets, and they're all boys.
Delivered in the car, the second one in clinic, the third one in the ambulance. So we spent some good time in the NICU.
And they were all alive at first, but after 10 days, one left us, went to be with the Lord.
Amanya agange nze Kashabe Amina nga ndi Nalongo nazaala abaana babiri, nabazalira ku myezi 7, nabazalira Kawempe. Ne tubeerayo mu ddwaliro, omwana nabeerako oxygen weeks 2. Ne tuba tujjako oxygen ne tubeera mu kangaroo nnaku 3. Ne tuvaayo ne batusiibula.
After being discharged, the doctor told us that if you get time, you pass by Mengo Hospital because that's where they do screening for the eyes of the preemie babies.
Not until after some time around the 4th month that the baby's eyes began to bring tears, and it was something that continued for a while. Then we remembered and we said the doctors had told us to go for, if we get some time, we take them to the hospital.
Twagenda okuvaayo mu ddwaliro nga batugambye tugende batukeberera amaaso engeri gye yali ku oxygen. Ne bamukebera amaaso omulongo omu ng'ali fine. Owookubiri omulongo omukulu ng'amaaso malwadde nga gali ku stage 3. Ne bamukebera ne bangamba yeetaaga otreatinga.
After screening, ROP screening, we realized that one baby was at stage 5. That is the worst stage of ROP.
You know, parents, we are always lazy and relaxed. So we also say, now after this ever expense in the ICU and in NICU, good enough, we are home, the baby sees, the other baby are seeing, and the LFA. So we didn't take note of that taking them for examination. Our examination of ROP was really a big thing.
So when we found out when the baby was blind, we were so touched. We started being discouraged.
Ne bamutreatinga first time, dose yasooka negaana okukola. Omwana n'addamu n'alwala buto, nagenda okuddayo muzaayo. Ne baŋŋamba era amaaso maki? Amaaso malwadde. Awo ne nkaabawo. Mama Tulia yali mukyala mulungi, n'aŋŋumya, n'ansirisa, ne nzikakkana. N'aŋŋamba omwana bajja kuddamu bakole ki? Bamujjanjabe. Era yatwala obuvunaanyizibwa era n'anfaako. Omwana ne baddamu ne bamutreatinga second time. Nzirayo kumuzaayo mu checking cause bampanga 2 weeks. Ne muzaayo ne bamukebera nga amaaso gateredde. Ku second treatment nga amaaso gateredde.
So I encourage you parents to take your children for ROP screening.
Bamaama bannange mwenna abazaala abaana ba premature, mbawa advise eno wammanga nti omwana wo oba omanyi nti omuzadde nga premature, bambi faayo bakebera omwana oyo amaaso.
However, my plea to the doctors and maybe the ministry is that whenever these preemies are being discharged or before they're being discharged, I think examination of ROP should be one of the most important things the hospitals, the doctors, and every health worker should take care and emphasis on, that at least you don't even allow the parents to go home. You first emphasize the issue of examining ROP.